Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering NECO 2019 Commerce Objective Past Question 9. An employee has the right to A. Accept or reject an offer of employment, B. Delegate his duties to his superiors, C. Employ anybody, D. Fix wages and salaries, E. Terminate the appointment of his subordinate. So we're looking at the rights of an employee. And the rights of an employee are actually numerous, but we'll take a look at each of the options to see which one can be classified as the rights of an employee and which cannot be classified as the rights of an employee. So option A, which is accept or reject an offer of employment, can be described as the right as one of the rights of an employee, as an employee has the right to accept gainful employment and also to reject employment which may be detrimental to his health or well-being and the health and well-being and that of others. Now option B, which is delegate his duties to his superiors, is not one of the rights of an employee. An employee's duties are clearly stated out prior to his employment, so he cannot be said to have the right to delegate his duties to his superiors. Option C, which is employ anybody, is also not the right of an employee. This right is mainly reserved for the employer. Option D also, which is fixed wages and salaries, is considered one of the rights of the employer. And lastly, terminates the appointment of his subordinates is largely not considered a right of an employee. So option A, which is accept or reject an offer of employment, is the correct answer to this question. So thank you, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.